Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome to Drama YT. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best high school college C-dramas of 2021 which you guys should add to your binge watch list. I know there are many among us who really loves this school romance as we guys have been there and done that. And you know what? For me, the best feeling in the world is when your crush is crushing on you. Don't you agree? Before starting this video, I just want to mention one thing that if you guys want any video on any specific topic, feel free to comment down below. So give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 7. Please Classmate. The story tells of two groups of youths who are at odds with one another, who must work together to merge the two factions together. Chaos arises when the leader of the northern faction, Ming Zeyu, and the leader of the southern faction, Yi Zhenghee, becomes classmates in the same class. Number 6. Hello My Youth. This drama follows several first-year students' lives as they experience both humorous and serious situations. Number 5. Remember My Boy. High school classmates Zhang Yang and Zhao Jingmang are true polar opposites. While Zhang Yang is brash, a practical joker, often selfish and sometimes even confrontational, Zhao Jingman is naive and overly trusting. As they slowly get to know one another at school, Zhang Yang first begins to play tricks on Zhao Jingmang in his usual manner, fooling her into making an embarrassing announcement over the school Tannoy system. But little by little, they start to develop an attachment to one another and start to develop a mutual sense of respect. But could this one day lead to love? Meanwhile, classmates Sin Li Hua, Feng Wan Hee, Ling Shen, and more are also embarking on their own journeys of discovery. Number 4. Don't Disturb My Study. 28-year-old Nan Xiangwan is an educationist who wakes up in her senior year of high school. She finds herself in the same class with a group of students who are all special students. Nan Xiangwan retraces her path of the entrance examination and gradually reversing one's prejudice in the process of sprinting toward her dream university. Number 3. Make My Heart Smile. The story of a group of young college students meeting, forming new friendships, and falling in love while maturing and realizing their youth dreams under the encouragement of each other's company. Number 2. Always Have, Always Will. Small town girl Fang Li and the stone-faced straight-A student Liu Yan relive their forgotten days from high school after reuniting in college, thus starting their journey of love that is filled with endless bickering. Fang Li and Liu Yan become classmates during their freshman year of high school. For Fang Li, Liu Yan's existence was a nightmare. 3 years later, they meet again as university students. Liu Yan no longer remembers Fang Li from that time, but the battle between the sunny girl and the proud devil has just begun. The two enemies experience the best times of youth together, recovering the beauty that was once lost and finding the path to their own dreams. Number 1. Unrequited Love. As childhood playmates, Liu Zi and Seng Hyun-yan were nearly inseparable. Growing up, they attended the same schools and participated in the same activities. But as time passed, their friendship slowly faded. Through high school, Liu Zi focused more on her studies than anything else, and Hyun-an became nothing more than a distant acquaintance. Yet secretly, her heart still longed for the boy who made her laugh all those years ago. Now in university, it is merely by coincidence that Liu Zi and Hyun-an attend the same school. Though no longer a part of each other's life, Liu Zi can't seem to forget her long-lost friend. Every glimpse she catches of Hyun-an makes her heart races, but with their lives heading in such different directions, the connection between them seems to have but all disappeared. Pining for a boy she has loved for 15 years, Liu Zi is resigned to her fate, accepting the fact that her feelings for Hyun-an will remain unrequited forever. But destiny, it would seem, has other plans. Finding themselves unexpectedly thrown together during an excursion in Red Canyon Valley, Liu Zi and Hyun-an's old friendship is rekindled and soon sparks of love begin to fly. But the meddling of others make things complicated and a series of misunderstandings threatens to ruin everything. Can these reunited friends overcome the challenges before them, or will their newfound love fade before it has even a chance to bloom? Nice to meet you. Shan Seng, a second-year high school girl, transferred to Chengwang College for an unknown reason. She became the tablemate of the campus bully Mo Shen and lived under the same roof as her aunt and her aunt's stepson who really hated her. Shanseng, who wanted to live quietly after achieving her goal, was pushed to the cusp of a storm due to ensuing accidents while getting along with Mojeshane and Yanmo, running counter to her original goal. In addition, the seemingly peaceful high school campus is not only surging with the youth hormones that have just begun, but also filled with the youth and ignorance to struggle with good and evil. When Shansheng's secret is discovered, where would she go? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.